if the truth we don't talk for this world, so like nobody they beg nobody pass anybody. Like we all go live as equal because when it comes to reality, reality, you know we can tell you somebody is best pass somebody, put them one on one, make you watch something. Don't be say go pass some place and go pass some. This is not football. Nigeria, don't carry lasso. Nigeria, don't carry. You see football like if you pass back, go back, people say your team will be the best. No. With the problem you can go make man order for a bar. Order for a bar. A bar. And more soup. Yeah. This is plantain. I just finished them with some stew. Nigga, sorry, don't be anything. Next 4 years, that's most of you are alive. By His grace, we will win this game. When people don't trash her, Ghana, you know the respect. Ghana, you know the respect. If people we won't beg them, make the show we had the big Grammy. Right now, you go for them. How the musicians go for you? How will musicians go for you? The video, Ben now, whiskey, we beg you.